Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel and to this video. This is another amazing video, and today I will show you a quick tutorial of Canva. I use it for YouTube thumbnails. You see my thumbnails. The thumbnails I use Canva is a free app, which is another amazing thing. So it's so simple. Let me give you a tutorial. I use the Canva. You can see how it looks like. You can create design. You can create YouTube thumbnails, create your story, logo, poster, presentation, or Instagram post, video, Facebook post. You can create a Facebook post, promote your businesses using Canva. You can put infographic, you can invitation, Facebook cover, flyer, brochure, resume, business card, blog banner, YouTube channel art. You can use YouTube channel art where you can write in your channel art. You can color it. You can beautify it. That's a good word. You can beautify your channel art so that people can see more amazing things in your channel. So you can you can put your good cover, and remember it. So remember it is free. You can certificate it, menu. You can letter head. You can see the cover, ID card. You can write YouTube thumbnail, Facebook post. There is a poster, Instagram post, animated media, poster card, poster landscape, logo, all your designs. You can see all my designs are there. I use it as free. That's another amazing part. Your logos on hand when you need them. You can upgrade if you want. If you can afford to upgrade, you can. It's so simple. Just press the upgrade button. That's how it works. You can create a team, and that's how it is. You can see your designs here. That's how simple it is. If you want, that's a Canva tutorial where I wanted you to show you the Canva, how it looks like, and comment down below if you want a video how to download it and how to find it. I'll create it. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the notification button to get a notification immediately when I post. And please guys, comment down below and like the video if you watch it. Like the video, and please share with your family and friends. And please remember to use RusVPN, which is in my link in the description box, for fast and secure connection, to unlock blocked websites, and to protect your bank accounts, please, and protect your streaming online. So make sure you check out another video if you want really long video showing the tutorial on Canva, how to create YouTube thumbnails, your story, anything about Canva. Please comment down below. I will create it. If you don't comment, I will not create it. But if you want to see that video, make sure you comment down below. Press share with your family and friends, and subscribe. I want to reach 100 subscribers. Make this channel to reach 100 subscribers, and everything shall be okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video.